Smoked tandoori chicken rice bowl. World's famous chicken and rice bowl. The best flavor we are giving it to it. It's a smoky tandoori chicken flavor. In 30 minutes, we will make smoked tandoori chicken rice bowl. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make world famous chicken and rice bowl. The flavor of the chicken is smoked tandoori chicken. I have 4 pounds of the thigh meat. This is boneless chicken thigh meat. Here you go. Let's add this in a marinade bowl. In 30 minutes, we will make chicken, we will make fresh rice, and we will land everything right here. This will be our delicious smoked tandoori chicken rice bowl. Before marinating the chicken, let's put the rice in the rice cooker. So it's gonna take 25 minutes to cook the rice. Take a rice cooker and add rice. I'm using Basmati rice for this, 1 to 1.5 cup of it. This is 1 and this is half. 2 cubes of the chicken bouillon. Let's take olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons. 3 cups of water, 1/4 tablespoon of the turmeric to make the rice yellow, 1/4 tablespoon of the regular salt. And let's put the rice to the cook. Rice are cooking in the rice cooker. Let's marinate the chicken. Give it a smoky tandoori flavor, and then we will cook this chicken in our cast iron pan. It's gonna take 12 to 15 minutes. Get Readymade Tandoori Masala. I'll tag it with the YouTube store, so it's gonna be easy for you. Take 2 tablespoons of any ready-made brand. You can do that. Smoked paprika, which will bring the smoky flavor. 1 and 2. This is, I mentioned earlier, right? This is 4 pounds of the chicken thigh meat. Coriander, crushed 1 tablespoon. Salt, half tablespoon. This is garam masala, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, half tablespoon. Fenugreek leaves, methi, half tablespoon. And last but not least, in the dry seasoning, in the dry condiment, we have cumin crushed, 1 whole tablespoon. Use red food color for your delicious chicken, at least half tablespoon in here. It will make your chicken, your dish vibrant. Let's move towards the liquid marinade. Ginger and garlic paste, 1 and 2 tablespoons. Mild pepper paste, 1 whole big spoon. You take yogurt, it will make the chicken creamy. Here, all dry seasonings are done, wet ingredients are done. Let's take olive oil, 4 tablespoons. This is 4 pounds of the meat. Your malicious smoked tandoori chicken marinade is done. The best thing is, use gloves and hands, massage it. So this is how your delicious chicken thighs should look like after marinade. The chicken will be cooking in all this masala in here. Smoked tandoori chicken is marinated. Let's add this in our cast iron pan. Look at all this masala. Go in here. Leave it like this on a high temperature at least for 4 minutes, and after 4 minutes we'll do a flip. So it's been 4 minutes. Let's add some citrus flavor in there. It will help in the acidity and it will make the delicious smoky tandoori chicken. Yum. Half of the fresh lemon goes in here. Now it's the time, let's flip it. Just flip or mix it. For another 6 minutes. Leave it like this so it cooks from this side as well. In the meantime, let's prepare cucumber salad and some regular salad which will go in our bowl. Organic cucumber. Did I say cucumber salad or did I say cucumber yogurt? We are making cucumber yogurt actually. Let's add quarter tablespoon of the salt, fresh dill weed. We are talking about the flavors here. Squeeze half of the lemon and add 2 tablespoons of the plain yogurt, 1 and 2. Easy made, homemade, full of flavor with natural flavors. Cucumber yogurt. Imagine this bite. Stir the spoon, move the chicken. Look at this, delicious. Wow, it's looking good. It's gonna take another 6 minutes. Now we can taste test it actually. Whoa, it has the smoky flavor in there and a little bit spicy touch. Okay, let's take cabbage. Okay, so we just need a little bit. And look at this, our rice is ready already. Wow, man. Let's give it a mix. Yes, it's done. Okay, good news, rice is ready. We are just 6 more minutes away from our chicken. Let's slice some cabbage and tomatoes, thin slices. I tried paper thin, but it looks like it's a cardboard thin. The cabbage and tomato salad. Let's take cherry tomatoes, split them from the center. Add 2 tablespoons of the olive oil on the cabbage and tomato, 1 tablespoon of the white distilled vinegar. We have enough salts, enough spices in our chicken. Our rice are flavored, so we don't need extra salts in our cabbage and tomato salad. Look at this. Does it look good? Make it loved by the kids. Add a tablespoon of sugar. Salad is ready. This is done. 2 beautiful salads are ready. Perfect. Let's take a look onto our chicken. Okay, let's cut it and see. It's done. It's more on the juicy side right now. Look at this. Wonderful. Let's take it out and cut it. I'm pretty sure you'll be like, can I taste the chicken? Yes, you can. It's done. Here you go. For you, I will do it. Oh my god. So for the more flavor, you cut the chicken and you put it back in here. You see all these juices? It will have all these juices now in here. Turn off the stove. Our chicken is ready. Our salads are ready. Our rice is ready. Let's make a delicious once of a lifetime bowl. Alright, here is our rice. They go in one corner. Here you go. Delicious smoked tandoori chicken in a bowl. Cucumber yogurt. This is a big bowl. Cabbage, tomato. This is the taste test and it's still steaming. Let's dive in. We don't need any sauces on it. If you want, definitely you can use it. We have already saucy cucumber. The cabbage has the flavor. Look at this, chicken and fluffy rice. This is the king of the dish. It's enjoyable. Easy to do. I'll be keep eating and telling you, look at this. We made all of this in 30 minutes. All of this. You can do it too. Look at the chicken. Okay, so we have another bag of rice. We have a lot of salad. We have another big portion of the chicken. Oh my god. This is how you make. Subscribe, join, hit the bell icon, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, enjoy yourself, take care of yourself, eat healthy, eat clean, eat at home. That's the best thing ever.